Rolling in green, understanding the phrase. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, rolling in green. This idiom is not just about the color green, but it conveys a message about wealth and abundance. Stick around as we unravel the meaning and usage of this vibrant expression. Rolling in green is an idiomatic expression that means having a lot of money or wealth. The word green here refers to the color of money, especially in the United States where dollar bills are predominantly green. When someone is described as rolling in green, it paints a picture of them being surrounded by so much money that they could literally roll around in it. The phrase, rolling in green, likely evolved from the older expression, rolling in money, or rolling in wealth. Over time, money was replaced with green to specifically highlight the connection to dollar bills. This expression vividly illustrates the abundance of wealth by invoking the image of someone rolling in piles of money. Understanding how to use rolling in green in sentences will help you grasp its connotation and context better. Let's look at a few examples. 1. After his app went viral, he was rolling in green. 2. She doesn't have to worry about her bills anymore. She's rolling in green since she won the lottery. 3. They were just a small startup, but with their innovative ideas, they are now rolling in green. These examples show that the phrase is often used to describe sudden or significant wealth, emphasizing a change in financial status. While rolling in green is a phrase understood in many English-speaking countries, it's particularly resonant in cultures where the currency is green, like in the United States. It's used in informal contexts and is often associated with a lifestyle of luxury or financial success. You might come across this phrase in songs, movies, or casual conversations, especially when discussing financial success or aspirations. We hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, rolling in green, and can now use it confidently in your conversations or writing. Remember, this vibrant expression is more than just about color. It's a vivid way to speak of wealth and prosperity. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more interesting phrases with you. Stay curious, and keep learning.